If you're wondering how to set up a Skool account, stick with me because we're about to walk through the whole process and show you exactly how to get started, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up your Skool account quickly and efficiently, plus I'll share some powerful alternatives that might actually be better for your needs. Stay tuned. First things first, go to the Skool website. You'll find a sign up button right at the top. Click on it to start creating your account. If you already have an email, great, just plug that in, create a password, and you're ready to move on. You'll be asked to confirm your email address, so be sure to check your inbox for a verification link and click on that to complete the process. Next, Skool will prompt you to set up your profile. You can upload a profile picture and provide some basic information. This part is pretty simple but important, as it helps your audience or community members get to know you better if you're planning to engage with others in the platform. Now, let's talk about creating your first Skool on Skool. This is where the magic happens, and this step sets you up for success. Click the Create Skool button, which will open up the customization options. Here, you can name your Skool, upload a logo, and select the type of community you want to build. Whether it's a course, a mastermind, or a simple community group, Skool has you covered. The next thing to keep in mind is setting up your content. Skool makes it easy to add courses, lessons, and discussions. After setting up your Skool, you'll be able to start creating posts and uploading content directly. Each post can include a variety of media, video, text, files, etc., so you have everything you need to provide value to your community. The fourth thing you'll need to do is customize your settings. This is where you can define the rules for your community, set access permissions, and manage your members. If you're running a paid group, make sure to set up payment gateways too. This section can be a little more advanced, but it's where you control who sees your content and how your members interact with it. Finally, once your Skool is set up, you can start inviting people to join. Skool makes it easy to share an invite link with your audience, and they can sign up quickly. You'll have the option to add members manually, or they can join through your invite link if you've set it up that way. Now, as much as Skool offers, it's not without its drawbacks. For instance, the platform can feel a little limiting when it comes to customization, something more advanced options might handle better. The interface can also be a bit basic, depending on what you need. Some users also report issues with community engagement tools being a little clunky at times. But here's the twist. While Skool might be great for some, there are alternatives out there that might better suit your needs if you're looking for more robust features, especially if your goal is building a more intricate, interactive online community. Stick around because at the end, I'll share a great alternative that might work even better for you, and it has a free trial. Before I wrap up, I want to let you know that through our link, you'll get an exclusive and extended free trial for Skool, plus some fantastic alternatives that might be better suited for your goals. These alternatives also have free trials, so you can test them out and make a more informed decision. Check out the description below for all the details, and remember, these benefits are only available through our exclusive link. Thanks for watching, and good luck setting up your Skool account.